It's nail mail time. Hello, nail enthusiasts, and welcome back to Decorate Every Nail You Got. So I have a box here, and it's from what I like to call Maniology. So we're gonna go ahead and open it up, and I believe I got a lot of things. As you can see right here, that's a lot of things. So let's do it. I don't think I've ever gotten a box this big from Maniology. Oh my gosh. Now things are happening here, people. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Okay, there's packaging things. Hold on, let me open it up for you. This is not usual. I don't think I've ever seen them use this package. It's going to be rustly, so close your ears. Okay. Oh my gosh, how funny. It almost looks like this is used, I don't know, is it wrapping stuff? I don't know. Anyway, I thought it was lint roller sheets, but it's not. I snatched my receipt out of there. I didn't want you guys to cheat. Oh my God, there's so much stuff. Wait a minute. Mani by Me box, does that mean? No, it's not December, and I already got my, I don't know, I have no idea what's in here. Okay, so let me so this is what I've got. I'm gonna pull out one thing at a time and we'll go through it. Yay! Okay, this right here I didn't need it because it's quite good, actually. I'll show you what I mean. My monocle stamper has a tear in it. Let me see if I can show you. You see it right there? It's got a tear in it, and I did it on one of my videos, actually. So I knew it was going to get worse, and it does not stamp perfectly when you use it in that area, so I kind of have to avoid it. In any event, I went ahead and bought this extra, this is an extra stamper head. And this one, I think it was $5. It's just a replacement head, which is kind of cool. You can just get the replacement head if you need it. And it comes in a little case, so that'll be a nice little switcheroo. In fact, let's go ahead and switcheroo, shall we? And I won't throw that one away because it's still good. So if something mega happens to this one that's like Schneikeville, then okay. There she goes, brand new, perfect. The only thing I might do is put it upside down on a piece of paper overnight. And what that does, sometimes they have oils in them, sometimes they don't. It seems to be a lot better than it used to be. Like, you don't have to prime them like you used to have to, and all kinds of stuff. So I will put this back in the handy dandy container. Lock her up for later. You can really see that. Oh, maybe you can't. Anyway, when it does that, you can see the tear in it. But anyway, so I'm going to put that aside. That was my replacement head. What's next? We have, I knew I did this. I'm not gonna even open it. I'm not even gonna, it says clear squishy stamper, and really what it is this one. And I can't believe I bought two of them. What a ding dong. Anyway, it's the, what's it called? The stamp shrinker. So I will be playing with this in one of my future videos, but the top is a normal stamper, and then the bottom of it is a way for you put this on top of a bottle. Actually, you're supposed to use their bottles because they're nice and fat. And then you pull it down, and that's when you let go, it's gonna shrink your stamp. So it's really cool. I'm gonna be checking it out, see how it works. Super excited about it, but apparently I was so excited about it that I bought two of them. Totally my style, right? Okay, so that will be coming soon, and that was the next thing out of the box. Oh my gosh, you guys, I went a little crazy. Because I have gone a little crazy, I do need another one of these, and I love them. They're for storage for your plates. And like I said, I needed one. I think I'm on my fourth one now. So let's just open this one up so you can see it. It's really high quality. It's really nice. And there we have it. It says little Maniology tag on the side. I think this is my first Maniology one. I could be wrong about that, but anyway, it's got these 3 latches in it. And then on the inside, it's got your stamper, your card holders, your stamper plate holders. These look a little different than the original ones. But in any event, there's 3 on each side. So there's 3, 6, 9, 12. 12 plus 6 is 18, 24. So it looks like it'll hold 48, which is pretty exciting. It's a lot. And they do get really stuffed. Let me show you what a full one looks like. Nope, I lied. This is a Maniology one too. So here's a full Maniology one, nice and full. And here's the pages of those. So they do get nice and full. Yeah, I needed one, so I got it. They are a little bit more expensive, but I got the 30% off sale. So I think I paid $19, but then I got the sale, so it was 30% off of that, which was kind of cool, peeps. I don't know what this is, so let's open says me. I am not trying to break my nails, so y'all bear with me. Matte top coat. Oh yeah, I got their matte. Okay, so I normally use gel polish, and sometimes when I'm doing my videos, I like to use what most people would choose to use. So I wanted a matte top coat, so we can check out, see what it looks like, but also when I do my tutorials, I want to be able to do what you guys do, and that's why I chose to get their matte top coat. It's very cloudy. I'm assuming when it goes on, it dries clear, but we will find out when we use it next time. People, this is black magic, and it's kind of amazing, and I think we're gonna have to swatch it like right now. This, I think by itself was $12 originally. I got it, of course, on sale, but it's their holographic one, I believe. I hope so. It sounds like I'm sick, doesn't it? I guess I'm just really tired, but it kind of sounds like I'm sick. Anyway, and we'll use, you know what? From the get-go, without doing anything with this new stamper head, let's see how it works. And I need a scraper card, which I have over here. I've got a scraper card, and I need something to clean up. I need a cotton ball or something. Okay, so I've got my Maniology, this guy, my cotton claw grabber thing, and I'll put some acetone on that so I can go ahead and clean up after I get done. Let's do a swatch, shall we? I'm super excited about this. Really super pretty. Let me see if I can get up here and get close for you. Can you see anything shift? Oh yeah, there you go, a little bit. Super pretty, super lovely. Can't wait to use it. Looks very just gray right now. Kind of sad, but I'm sure it's gonna be amazeballs. Okay. Did I get the right thing, you guys? Oh, there it is. Oh my gosh, can you guys not see it at all? There's a little bit of the color shiftingness of it. You know what, let's do a nail too, so we can kind of see what it looks like on a nail. I think I have one ready. Maybe I don't. But I can paint over this one that's already got some gray paint on it. And we'll paint over it, just see what it looks like. I mean, if it's not as amazeballs as I think it is, then I'll be a little disappointed, and I'll tell Maniology that. But yeah, it's gonna be as amazeballs as I think it is. I do not know if the camera is picking this up. And you know what we might need to do? Like, you can just barely see it. I wonder if I need to shine something on it. Like, when the sunlight hits it that it's gonna be crazy. So I'm trying to get the flashlight. Oh, there we go. This is the flashlight from my phone, and now you can see a little bit more of that holographic. effect. That's cool. Yes. Oh my gosh, this is super beautiful. I mean, worth the 12 bucks? I'm not sure, but, well, 12 bucks minus 30%. That's really pretty. Okay, anyway, I'm super happy I got it. Black Magic, in case you're wondering yet again. So those are the next two things that I got were the matte top coat and the Black Magic. And the stamper worked completely fine, so that's kind of awesome too. Let's see what else was in the box. Okay, next we have this, and of course it's got something that I need a knife to open. Where did I put my scissors? Like, what is wrong with me right now? So I'm using a file that I never use, a metal file, to open this. I know what this is. This is Sweater Weather. And I say Sweater Weather. It's the name of the collection, Sweater Weather. You guys, I have been eyeballing these for so long. They're so pretty. Oh my gosh. Just look at all of them together. Can you just take a moment? Just take a moment and marvel at how beautiful they are together. Maybe like this. God, how beautiful are they? They are Satin Blush, Mocha Java, and Woolly. So unbelievably pretty. I am a fan. I think we should swatch. Do you guys think we should swatch? I think we should swatch. Really, I don't care what you think. I'm doing it. So let's start with Mocha Java first. This is the Sweater Weather collection. I think that's what it's called. And this one's super thick. I do believe that they're an older collection, but surely, oh, I got a little bit of goo on there, but that's okay. What a vibrant stamp. Oh my, I'm gonna be in love with this one. Faux sure. Man, it's dark outside. I should have done this in the daylight. It's so pretty, you guys. Super #FuFu fan. Okay, I'm cleaning off my stamper. Next stamp. Wait, I gotta clear up my plate too. Next stamp. So that was Mocha Java. I'm super fan. Super fan. Next one is Satin Blush. Super pretty in the bottle. Let's see what happens outside the bottle, because you just never know, y'all. Oh my gosh, so pretty. This one's a little thicker too. Isn't that funny? The consistency of that Black Magic one was not thick at all. In fact, I was a little concerned about it, but it was totally fine. Okay, swatch it on there. There we go. Oh, be still, my heart. Look at the two of them together. Oh my gosh. This one's got a little bit more pink in it, of course. This is when you're more your mocha, and this was the Satin Blush. This one was a Satin Blush. So pretty. I mean, honestly, together, it's fantabulous. It's like art or something. Oh my gosh. Just having the three of them next to each other, it makes my heart smile. And this one was called Woolly. You know what? I got an argyle plate. I wonder if I should do something with the argyle plate in this one. I've really been loving my plaid manicure that I did. So maybe I should give it a whirl. Okay. Okay. Not shimmery. I didn't expect it to be. This one's called Woolly, but it kind of looks like a tan. And I mean, I guess it's mauvey, taupey, but together. Hi, future nail set. Oh, you're gorgeous. So I'm pretty sure that's the one that's called Sweater Weather. Super excited about that. Okay, let's see what's next out of the box, shall we? Get this stuff out of the way. And what is this? A kit. Did I order a kit? I think I got a Halloween kit. So I'll probably do a video on just this by itself because there's so many pieces in it. So that'll probably be a good idea for later, but I'll go ahead and oh, this is totally tubular. Did that come with it? Totally tubular. I'm looking at my faux, I got that. Matte top coat. I don't know what I'm doing. Oh my gosh, you guys, I have no idea what I'm talking about. I don't know. I guess this is, so this must be the whole thing. Limited edition 2021 Halloween nail favorites bundle. Which, you guys, what the crap was I thinking? I already have this plate. Oh my gosh. How funny. So this is M158. This is a fantastic plate. If you don't have this plate, you should have this plate for Halloween. It is super good. The eyes are super awesome. You can make your own pumpkin. This guy, super fave. I love this mummy one. It's super awesome. These eyes don't always work in there, just so you know. In fact, I just make little dots because they just don't work. But anyway, this is a great plate. M158. Then we've got in the same kit, this is, I had to have the brains, you guys. M032. Here's the brains that I had to have. But the other ones were really cool too, like just the bats or just the spider webs or the like blood stains, which I thought I could use for paint splatter and stuff too. And then these were cool too because you just have your basic trick or treat, scary, fright night, boo, and different jack-o'-lantern faces. So I thought this was a really great plate. Skeleton pieces. I thought it was a great plate. Okay, next plate in that bundle that we shall discuss is M056. Oh yeah, this is the one that was all about ghosts and it was so cute. Look at all the little ghosts, oh my gosh. You could totally do some great reverse stamping with these. These guys are just adorbs. Like these look a little bit like the Pac-Man ghost. Oh my God, they got bows on them, you guys. Oh my God, it's so cute. And then more boos, please. Wow, some of these are so tiny. I can't even read them. I don't have my glasses on. My old lady eyes won't let me. Like, you can't feed it, but it's there. Oh, you can't feel it, but it's there. Well, that's scary. Holy sheet. I cannot wait to put that on my nails. That's really funny. Thank you, Maniology, for making me laugh today. Okay, so just really cool little designs on there. That's M056. I'll do an in-depth one of these, as well as, oh, you get your limited edition stamper, which I guess I'll go ahead and open that on camera when I open everything. And then I am gonna go ahead and open these so you'll see what they look like. Again, using my not scissors. I don't know where my scissors went, but they're not here. Okay, this is apparently the Totally Tubular collection. Oh, very Halloween-y though. Okay, and there's 3 colors. Vaporwave, Ultraviolet, and Pumpkinhead. And I will swatch these when I do the video of all of them. But you can see that it's a nice bright blue, beautiful, like shimmery, not silver, this is a purple color. And then you've got a nice orange too, which I didn't have any oranges and I went a little crazy with the oranges. Now I have like 25 oranges. Maybe it's time to stop. But I will definitely do an in-depth video of that kit a little bit later. And because it's a kit, I love these little bags. Because it's a kit, it comes with one of the bags, which is really cool. So I will open up the stuff a little bit later on one of my future videos for you. Okay, last thing. Do I already have the November box, you guys? Maybe I don't have the November box because this looks like the Manny by Me box. But I'm a little confuzzled. Oh, it does say join the Manny by Me monthly subscription. This is my like 6-month thing. So, I mean, I guess it's the box that I would get for November. You guys, did I miss it? Oh, you know what? Because October, they always do a month in advance. October looked like the fall stuff. So this has to be November's box. And I'm not sure I know anything about it. So, should I open it now? No, you're going to have to wait for the next video. It will be out very soon. And people, I mean, in the meantime, if you want to, you could run on over to Maniology, get yourself 10% off of your order by using the code GrooveMama. And yeah, I will be putting this video out super, super soon. And have a great day, everybody. Until we meet again, I hope you decorate every nail you got. Bye.